So I'm gonna try to explain this shit while performing, and I have no idea how the fuck. Yeah, okay, nice. So, yeah, here we go. First, you start at bank A for the input effects, which are the just say and then it makes that sound. You will figure that out pretty quickly. Just and then you record 3 from the 4 bars on track 1. And after that, you're gonna do ram bum 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 ba-dum. You're gonna make that sound to trigger it, and you're gonna put that at track 5. And for the last bar for the track 5, you're gonna press input effect D as well. So yeah, you will see what I'm doing. Fuck this shit. So as you saw, I pressed for the final bar on D, which makes the slicing sound. All right, now we're gonna go to input effect bank B for our kick on track 2. And also, stop. And also on track 3, we're gonna, this thing still has the auto-tune on, I'm very sorry. On track 3, we're gonna put the spit snares and the, you know, that shit. So yeah, it's all in bank B. So first of all, in bank B, you have this. It's for the kick. So you're gonna do an inward kick in my case. So just shit. It's that simple. Then we're gonna put those 2 off, and we're gonna put A on. So A is for the snares, and you're gonna put 2 snares. So like this. That's off timing, shit. And then we're gonna do 2 inward snares, K inward snares with a in the middle. So like that, and then you put effect C on for the hi-hat. You can also choose to do a shorter one. It doesn't really matter. This track is a meme itself. So then you go to input effect D, bang D, and you're gonna do the in this note. So and you're gonna do that, and you at the beginning of the bar when it starts recording, you stop. So. So I have a little bit of feedback because I'm using a box right now, an audio box, but you get it because it's actually in reverse already. So yeah, like that. And then you have everything recorded, and then it's just following my hands and the buttons. And for the last part, you're gonna hit the like you did here. And you're gonna do that for the last drop in input effect bank C. So just do that shit, and yeah, you'll figure it out. Dum dum dum. And if you want to meme a bit, you just switch between input effect bank D and C to create the Matej atmosphere. And yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm gonna play the track and sing a bit. Singing, you will do the singing in input effect D, in bank D. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Input effect bank D. Yes, thank you very much. And here we go. You turn this filter here. Yeah. Switch to A. You want me smooth like Mona Lisa. I got my Charlie Pooh Biden, I can go Ibiza. My lyrics make no sense, so please give me a feature. Yeah, please give me a feature. Yeah, you can consider me the bum, and I'm yes, I got candy words in my blenders. I don't know anyone in Francis. Make me go down, bum, and I'm yes, I got candy words in my blenders. I know anyone in Francis. This down and press these two on and C off, and you press All Start again. Yeah, we're on top of the world. Wow. Top of the world. Yahoo. Top of the world. This off and D on. And yeah, that's it. It's that simple. Yeah, we're on top of the world. Yeah, we're on top of the world. This one up and this off. Sky and clouds, yeah. Sky and clouds, yeah. Boom, ba-da-bop. Turn everything on and put this one on again. And switch to bank B on the first bar, like that. Hey! Yeah, we're on top of the world. Track 4 doesn't matter at all. You can put it off if you want to. And then you're gonna press C. Alright, and now the last one, do, do, do. You know the drill. Do, 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 do. Yeah, and that's basically it. It's that easy. So yeah.